Hi guys. Today I'm gonna unbox a necklace from Jewelry. I don't freaking know, girl. It says Jewelry. But anyways, this was from the platform called Ainfluencer, I think. So you already know I try different platforms, I try new things. That's my thing. So this is new to me. This is the first time I ever received something from them. Oh, not the address. It is free. Not really. Well, yes and no, because this is a platform where you can work with brands and they are paid collabs. So this is a paid collab, okay? So I don't know, we'll see if this is legit, because I still haven't, received many, but we'll see. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so a ver. I already know how it looks like because I chose it, but still, let's see if it looks like the picture they showed me, because this was in their Amazon storefront, I think. So ooh, okay. So oh no, the brand's Fairete. Fairete Jewelry. But in the package it says a different name. What the heck? I don't freaking know. But anyways, I couldn't decide what to choose, if silver or gold. I was like, let me just choose silver, and good thing, because it matches with my earring. I don't know which type of jewelry looks good on me, if silver, gold, or rose tone. But I don't know, I'll still wear whatever I want. I really, okay, so let me open it. Okay, so this is I forgot, I think 18 millimeters, because they had different sizes, like the ones that go up to your neck, like right here, right here, right here. It was hard. I was like, I'm just gonna choose the short one. I don't have a short necklace, so you can layer it. Like if you wear like the super small short one, you can wear the traditional necklace at the same time. That's what I was picturing. So yeah, I got this. I don't know, I'll put it here this size. So yeah, let me see. Okay, so this is good to wear every day. That's why I like it, because it's just plain, and you want to look good but not too extra sometimes. This is good for that. So ooh, I should have taken a picture first. Damn. Okay, whatever. So ta-da, you see, it's silver. It's just simple. It's very minimalist, and I think this was like $18. I can't remember. I'll put it here. It's not expensive, but it may be, because it's just a little dainty necklace and it's plain, but I don't know. It depends. But and it feels nice, very light, not heavy, so it looks comfortable. And I don't know if okay, yeah. Okay, never mind. You already know. It's just a simple silver necklace. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on and see how the size looks on my neck. I don't have a long neck, I have a short neck. Okay, this is hard. Ooh, okay, finally. But I didn't shave. I'm trying not to show my armpits. Oh my gosh. Okay, so ooh, it's not that short like I thought it was gonna be. Well, not damn, look at my different skin tones. Like this is like totally completely different person. Anyways, but you see, it's just very tiny. It's small. It's comfortable. I thought it was gonna be shorter. Like the picture, I thought it was gonna look like that. Oh, it's still fine. Oh, let me hide that. So, okay, it looks pretty. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, they even have a code. I'm not gonna use it obviously, but in case y'all wanna use it, y'all can screenshot it. Let me put it here. It's right there. Okay. So yay, thank you, Fairete jewelry. I'm wearing my half earring that my bestie Ella sent me, so I'm gonna be matching with her. She's wearing the other one, so that's why I'm always gonna wear one earring stud in my video, because of that. I guess it's like a best friend pact. I guess it's just a special way, you know, for us to be together when we're not, you know. So yeah, I probably wear in every video with just one earring stud. It looks so pretty. I get not my dandruff, so I can't take it off. I can't. So yeah, this came perfect time. Like wow, it's the same silver. I'm probably wear this every day. These two things. I can't. So yeah, I just shout out to Ella. She doesn't have a YouTube. She doesn't. I don't think she even watches my stuff. I don't think she. But she does have an Instagram and TikTok, and she creates content too. So y'all better check her out. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I still can't believe it. I just don't know how to react. Like, is this happening? Like, I just haven't sit like it's what? I'm not that, you know, cheesy or lovey-dovey, but so yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to do that. Shout out. Anyways, my freaking eyebrow. I keep sniffing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You see, I don't know how to react. I'm so awkward and weird and shy. Like, I don't know how to react to these things. But yeah. Thank you. This brand, sorry. This was the whole point of the video too. Thank you, Fairete. So yeah, you better check this platform out. I'll put it here. If it's legit, definitely go check them out. Get your money, girl. Yeah. It's a good side hustle, you know. So if it's legit, I'm gonna put here yes, so y'all can check it out. If it's not, I'm gonna let y'all know. If it's fake, I'm pretty sure it's not. Like it looks real. It is real. They sent me this. Well, I had to pay for it, and then after I put the content out, whatever they told me that I need to post, if it's approved by them, then yeah, they're gonna pay me. If not, they're not. So wish me luck. Okay, so if it's real, okay, I'm gonna let y'all know, obviously. So I'm trying to help y'all, because there's a lot of, you know, ladies that watch me that probably, you know, need help finding money right now. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.